may sample ako dito. Meron akong nakitang isang aircon, okay? Meron siyang voltage na 230 volts. Okay, single phase. Okay, meron siyang current na full load current na 13.5 amps. Okay, meron din siyang real power na 2,950 watts. Okay, hanapin natin yung total power niya, yung S, apparent power, then Q, yung reactive power. Okay, so ang formula ang gagamitin natin dyan, S is equal to voltage times current. Okay, for AC to AC. Hindi na applicable yung power is equal to V times I kasi ito ay for DC circuit only. Okay, so ngayon ito tayo, AC. S is equal to VI. So meron tayo S na 230 times 13.5 amps. So meron kang 3,105 volt amperes. Okay? So, ang kailangan na lang natin Q. Okay? Plot lang natin para di ka mahirapan. Okay? So meron kang S, meron kang P, meron kang Q. Yung S mo ay 3,105. Okay? P mo na 2,950. So ngayon yung Q mo hinahanap. Okay? By using Pythagorean theorem, so meron kang S squared is equal to P squared plus Q squared. Okay? So Q yung hinahanap, lipat natin ito sa kabila. So meron kang Q squared is equal to S squared minus P squared. Okay, para mawala to, square root natin. Okay, parehas. Cancel, cancel. So meron kang Q na square root ng S squared minus P squared. Okay, di tayo. Sa kabila. So Q, S squared mo ay 3,105 minus 2,950 squared. Okay, all over square root. So meron kang Q na 968.77 var. Okay, brain ko lang to. Pag nilagay mo siya in rectangular form, S is equal to P 2,950, okay, plus J 968.77, okay, VA. Rectangular form yan. So ngayon pag gagawin mo siyang polar form, okay, o-convert mo lang yan sa calculator. So ang kalalabasan dyan ay 3,104.99 angle 18.18 degree. Okay, volt ampere. Okay,